Now let's take a look at two very useful operators in modern JavaScript: the rest and spread operators. Actually, it's only one operator, the three dots. But what we call it depends on where we use it. We use the spread operator to split object properties or array elements. And we use the rest operator to merge function arguments into an array. Let's say we have a function that adds two numbers together. What if we wanted to sum more than two numbers, but we don't always know how many there will be? That's where the rest operator can help us. The rest operator will take each value we give it and store it as an element in an array. We can then manipulate the data as we normally would with an array. To use the rest operator, we use three dots, immediately followed by a name for the array it will store values in. If we save and take a look at the console, it shows the two numbers we added as arguments in an array. And because it's an array, we can use array functions like sort to sort the values in numerical order. Something to note though, is that the rest parameter has to be the last parameter in the list. Now, let's say we have a number that's explicitly initialized with a numerical value. We want to copy that value, so we create a second number and assign the first one to it. Because numbers are primitive types, when we assign the first number to the second one, JavaScript copies the value. So, if we change the value of the first number, only that value is affected. Now, let's say we have an object with a property. Again, we want to copy the value, so we create a second object and assign the first one to it. But, because objects are reference types, we didn't copy the actual value. We only copied the pointer that points to the object's place in memory on the heap. So, if we change the first object's property value, it will change the value for both objects. That's because user2 points to user1. To create an actual copy of user1, like we did with the numbers, we'll have to create a new object. From there, we can copy the contents of user1 into the new object by using the spread operator. And now, if we change the property in user1, it won't affect the property of user2. So, the value was copied, not the pointer. As we mentioned, arrays are also reference types and work exactly the same. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to extract single values from arrays or objects. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.